Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay, Sobat Getris, now I will try to teach all of you how to create animation. Use Photoshop. Yeah. First, we open the file. Yeah, look like this. But now I will try to resize this file. We can click image, not image size but canvas size. Yeah, okay, canvas size 162 point. I will try to change 118 millimeters. 118 millimeter. Yeah. Here I want to create shape. I want to create shape, and we modify the shape. But first we can create new layer. Yeah, here new layer. Yeah. I take rectangular mercue, maybe. Yeah, rectangular mercue, maybe look like this. Yeah, but now I want to try use selected modify. Okay, let's try to contract. Yeah, okay, contract 9 pixel. I want to use color. Yeah, you can change this color. Okay, fill with pen bucket. Let's try the results. Not really. Yeah. Okay. Repeat, modify, maybe feature. Okay. Let's try. Okay, hidden. Okay, great. Yeah. We want to use this layer 2. Yeah. Now this I want to move to trace. Okay, you can use filter. Selected, modify with feature. Yeah, feature radius 19 pixel. Okay, the effect look like this. Yeah, Control D. Okay, I want to make a move. Yeah, move the shape like this, and we can create the animation. But now I want to modify first. Yeah, Control T. I want to free transform skew facility. Yeah, okay. Nah, look like this. Yeah, then enter. I want to create look like this. Yeah, okay, look like this. I want to try from here. Yeah, from here. Now I want to duplicate this layer. Wait, I want to here. Okay. Duplicate again. Move here. Okay. Duplicate again. Here. Duplicate. Here. Okay, duplicate again here. Yeah, duplicate. Okay, and the last, I think the last duplicate save. Yeah, okay. Okay, like this. Yeah. The move animation look like this. Okay. Now I want to delete inverse of selected layer. I want to choose layer 0. Okay. We can take the selected here. Okay. I want to delete this here. Layer to copy. Delete. Here. Delete. Here. Delete. Until the last layer. Okay, that's great. Yeah. Now I will hide this layer. Now I will hide this layer. Now we have animation frame. You can active from here, Windows, sub menu animation. Okay, Windows sub menu animation. We will see a timeline with frame. Okay, let's try. I want to set this frame delay time maybe 0.2. Yeah. Now duplicate this frame. I want to show this. Duplicate frame. I want to show this. Yeah. Hide this. Duplicate, show, hide. Duplicate, show, hide. Duplicate, show, hide. Duplicate, show, hide. Yeah. Duplicate, show, hide. Duplicate, show, hide. Duplicate, hide. Okay, let's try. Now I want to see the result of this animation. Let's play. Okay, we will see the animation from left to right. If we want to create the move lighting like this from right to left. Okay, now on last frame we can duplicate frame. Yeah, so this duplicate frame, so hide, 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 and the last hide. Okay, let's try. Okay, left from right, right from left. Okay, let's try to convert, I think. Yeah, but we save first. Yeah. Okay, okay, save this file, save for web. The extension is GIF. Yeah. Okay, save. Okay, image only .gif. Save. Wait a minute. Okay. Yeah, script. Yeah, but now I want to try layout on PowerPoint. Okay, PowerPoint, yeah. PowerPoint I will share first. Okay, share. Okay, yeah. Now we can insert picture. Is it on desktop? Yeah. Okay. Set. Okay. Let's see the result. Okay. Let's see the result. Slideshow. Okay. We will see the animation moving left from right and right to left. Okay, that's simple, yeah, simple animation. Next, I will teach you another. Thank you for watching. See you on next lesson.
See you soon, Sobat Tris. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share guys. Turn on notification.